welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel, you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. Also, share all the videos of Mathline to the students of all standard. So let us start today's lesson, that is continuation of probability. In probability, you have studied what is random experiment, sample space, events, etc. Today, I will teach you different types of events. It is very easy to understand if you know different types of sets, because events are nothing but sets. So here the first one is the random experiment is throwing a die, so that the sample space S equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first type of event is impossible event. It is similar to empty set. So what will be impossible event? An event which does not contain any sample point is called impossible event. With respect to the sample space, the event of obtaining more than 6 number on the face of the dice. So that is impossible with respect to this sample space, so that no element will be there or no sample points will be there. So this is only the simple for impossible set. And how many elements? 0 element, no element at all. So that is impossible set. It is similar to empty set, impossible event. Next, simple event. It is similar to singleton set. So what it will be? When the event contain only one sample point. In the same sample space, the event B of obtaining even prime number. So what will be that event? B equal to 2. So how many sample point? One sample point. Such type of events are called simple event. Next one, compound event. When an event contains more than one sample point, then it is called compound event. Example, C is an event of obtaining even number on the face of the die. So 2, 4, 6. It contains how many sample points? 3. So it is a compound event. Another one, certain event. Certain event with respect to the sample space E is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will be certain event? It contains sample point of the sample space, or sample space is equal to the event. Sample space is equal to the event. Then that is called certain event. So with respect to the sample space, the certain event E has 6 sample points, because the sample space n of s also equal to 6. Understood? Next, mutually exclusive events. There are 2 events which are mutually exclusive. See this example with respect to the same sample space. P equal to 1, 3. Q equal to 4, 6. Observe the sample points in both the sets. They are totally different. So, what is the definition for mutually exclusive events? When 2 events does not contain any common sample point, then they are called mutually exclusive. Next one, exhaustive. See this example. N equal to 1, 2, 3. M equal to 4, 5, 6. So together, if you take the union together, all the sample points of L and M together, you will get the sample points in the sample space. Such events are called exhaustive events. So what it is? When the union of 2 or more events form the sample space, then they are called exhaustive event. Next one, complementary events. Complementary events. Complement of a set also you have studied in the case of sets. It is similar. See this example. X is equal to 1, 3, 5. Therefore, complement of x is 2, 4, 6. So what it is? The remaining sample points in the sample space will be the complement of x. So x and x dash are complementary events. Complementary events. So only the remaining. There will not be any common in both. The remaining, the event x equal to 1, 3, 5. What are the remaining in the sample space? 2, 4, 6. So together will form sample space, but without common. Such events are called complementary events. We can say that x is the complement of x dash and x dash is the complement of x. Complements of each other, or they are called complementary events. Now, another one, independent event. These all mentioned events are independent because when one outcome occurs, it will not affect the other outcome. So tossing a coin, throwing a die, they are all independent. Their probability will not change. Such events are called independent event. Now what will be dependent? When one outcome happens, it will affect the other outcome or the probability of the other event. So what it will be? See this example. Selecting a green ball out of two green and two red balls. So in the first experiment, if the outcome is one green ball, so remaining only 5 will be there. So the probability decreases. In the first it was the, two green and two red. 4 were there. So when one is taken, the remaining 3 only. We have to select from 3. So the probability changes. Such events are called dependent event. So these are the various types of events in the random experiments. Clear? So that is the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching these lessons. Please share and forward as much as possible to the students of all standard. Have a nice day. See you next week with a new topic. Bye bye. See you.